my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got hips, some of us know. Big nose contours, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in a video, bro. Wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna fat pretty like my.
Y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit sent over from Queen Virgin Remy, better known as QVR. It's been a while since I last worked with them. I want to say it's been like a year, maybe a little bit over a year. I'm not sure, but they recently reached out and asked if we could work together again, and I said sure. They sent over a highlighted kinky curly V-part unit. This is what she's looking like online, and then this is what she's looking like in person. Now, I've been saying this in recent videos that I prefer this color highlight over a 613. Now, don't get me wrong, I feel like I can rock out a unit that has a 613 highlight, but this color, and I want to say this is the number 30, number 1 being a 30, I want to say the 30 just suits my skin tone so much more. But anywho, the cap construction for this unit comes with 3 standard combs in total, 1 in the back, 2 in the front with 1 on each side. It also comes with 5 clip combs around the V part section, and then it also has a security band that you can adjust and or remove if you choose to do so. They're offering this unit in multiple different color variations, such as a highlighted number 1B/30, a highlight number 1B/33/30/613, and then a highlight number 1B/27/613. They're also offering this unit in multiple lengths of 14 all the way down to 24 inches, and I received the 20 inch. Instead of the standard adjustable straps in the back, instead you'll get like this drawstring situation that you can pull, and that'll adjust your unit for you. But okay, let's go ahead and get started on customizing this unit, and then of course I'll come back with my thoughts and opinions on her at the end.
Just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do if I told you you were beautiful? Would you give me all the regular? Would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world.
Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from QVR. We're going to start with my cons first, and the first con that I have is that this unit shedded quite a bit. In the process of me brushing this unit out to restyle her, this is the amount of hair that I received. Now, don't get me wrong, this is a curly unit, this is a colored curly unit at that, and on top of that, I was brushing the unit out while it was dry. And I didn't even start at like the bottom part and then work my way up. At times, I would just start in the middle. So this is slightly expected, but at the same time, I'm like, I just wish I could have gotten a little bit less of shedding. But I'll also say, despite that amount of shedding, this unit is still thick and full. So I guess I should say that that shedding is like, not necessarily a con, but something worth mentioning. For some reason, I thought I had another con for this unit, but I actually don't. So let's go ahead and move on to my pros. I love the coloring that was done on this unit. The highlights throughout the entire unit, but still having that 1B color show through is just chef's kiss. I feel like it looks so good on my skin tone, or against my skin tone. The density of this unit is nice, thick, and full, and I can honestly say that I think it would be really nice to wear throughout the year, even during the spring and summer months, because I just sat in my car for an hour with the windows rolled up, waiting on my kiddos to get out of school, and although I was a little hot, my head did not get hot. The curl pattern on this unit is so pretty. I'm not gonna lie, when I first took it out of the box, I was just kind of like, I don't know if I'm gonna like this, friend. But once I went in and like restyled her, I'm in love. When it comes to curly units, I truly feel like you do have to go in and customize them to the way that you would like it, or else it just kind of falls like, not necessarily flat because of the volume, but I don't know, you just won't get the va-va-voom that you're hoping for. I don't know if I'm making sense when I say that. Another pro for this unit is that it is sitting very comfortably on my head. Now, earlier I showed you guys that there are 5 claw clips sitting around the V part section of this unit, and I didn't use any of those. Instead, I chose to rely on the back comb and the drawstring to secure this unit in place. I also relied on that small little section that's in the front that was holding the V part together. Now I see this on V part units often, and most of the time I just go in and like clip it apart. This time I decided to keep it on just to see if I would like it or not, and lo and behold, I think this might be a way for me to start wearing V-part units more often. I feel like if you just take your natural hair and like push it back to kind of like cover up that little strip, it shouldn't be that big of a deal. Now if you are somebody who wants like a direct, solid, visible line going down the middle of your head, then by all means clip that little attachment if you will, or either go in with some concealer and like put it right there. But for me, yeah, no, I think I like this method more. V-part units can be very convenient to wear, but I'm not gonna lie, at times whenever I try to use those small little claw clips, they can cause a little bit of tension on my natural hair, and I don't want that. Now granted, if it is causing some tension, I will go in and either unclip it and like readjust it or something like that, but I don't know. I feel like I'm really feeling this method of installing a V-part wig. Like, there's no tension. I feel secure. The wig isn't moving anywhere. I feel really cute. And that's my biggest thing. Like, whenever I wear my wigs, I want to feel both cute and comfortable. And if we're going to be completely honest, should nobody be that darn close to you to where they can clock your little attachment piece or not? But for me, this wig is for sure a winner. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell. That way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at @Dotson. I'll be sure to have all of the information for this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.